Hello, I'm Mukaula and I'm going to deal about resources in Moodle. Resources are created by the teacher for learners to read without any further interaction with them. To work on resources, you have to turn the editor on, of which mine is on, and then go to Resources and Activities. There are 8 resources, which is the book, the file, the folder, the label, the lightbox gallery, the page, the poster, and the URL. The book. The book consists of a number of connected pages, of which one can divide them into chapters. Then we've got the file, which the teacher can share presentation and share website as some. Then we have the folder, which is a number of related files. Then the label, which allow insertion of text and multimedia into the course page. Then we have a lightbox gallery, of which one can view gallery images. Next, we have the page, which allows the teacher to creation of website resources and so on. And then we have the poster for making pages on the blog. And then lastly, we have the URL, which provide websites, web links as resources. I'm going to demonstrate using the label. You click on the label and then you click on Add. Then you can add the label context. And after adding your label context, then one can save and return to the course. I'm going to cancel for now. The same procedure can be followed with all the resources. I've added a label, elements and compounds, and I've also added a book, elements and compounds, and in it I've already written chapter 1 of it. I'm just about to start chapter 1 of it. Thank you very much for listening.